Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect selfie stick and tripod stand? This stand from Eocean is going to be so versatile in your life, you will never want to be without it. So the stand is fully expandable. It has rubberized feet on the bottom. I really like it because it's light and portable. So if I'm doing some filming or taking pictures around the house, I can pick it up and take it with me wherever I go. The handle is easy to grip if you're using it for a selfie stick, and the top part is fully rotational, as well as you can adjust it so that the camera can look directly down, so you can use this on whatever type of surface that you want. It comes with an adjustable piece so that it can easily turn into a tripod, whether it be for a webcam or anything that will fit into the knob on top. It also comes with a remote so that you can Bluetooth connect it to your phone, and from there you don't even have to have any help with you. You can use this tripod stand and take your pictures or filming wherever you need to on your own. I really love this tripod stand. It is just so handy. I'm super excited because we're going to be traveling, and so I would love to take it with me and use it while I'm on the road. And I know that it will fit really compactly into my suitcase as well. So it really has everything that I need all in one little stick. And that's my point of view.